A heart-wrenching plea for survival has emerged from the Vidya Lochan area of the Simna Assembly constituency, where an elderly widow, Kalpana Debbarma, is battling complete blindness and severe illness amidst crushing poverty. With no family to support her and no financial means to afford medical treatment, Kalpana has turned to the media to catch the attention of state leaders and the compassionate public. Kalpana Debbarma, a resident of Barakathal Vidya Lochan Para, lost her husband years ago. Since then, her health has rapidly deteriorated, leading to the total loss of vision in both eyes. Living in a dilapidated house with no steady income, she is unable to afford the specialized eye surgery or the basic health care she requires. In an emotional statement that has moved the local community, she shared the depth of her desperation. "I have become a burden to myself. If I could see with even one eye, I would have at least walked the streets and survived by begging for food. But now, I cannot even do that. I am trapped in this darkness and helplessness." Through the media, Kalpana has made a direct and urgent appeal to her local representatives, hoping for a humanitarian intervention. Her prayers are directed toward the local leaders, Minister Brisaketu Debbarma and E.M. Rabindra Debbarma.
Doctor Vidya Lochan benajaga drop tu mantong. Gan perkan sorry hamekala kya. Sorry hamekala ya emon kala kya Khorang. Busai mana sambab ya. Sara dehat kiyo bekan kong na mah kya ka fro. Ayang ya galan mokor yang hanya hanya kang jap jauh kata. Yang ngafur ke biti tong ka mas waktu kapai menita. Inka abiti na yang ri sini ang ala amal sawai. Horror thona puro yang top cari di kata, di top cari kan kai akhang kan ya se, ang akhi thoma busa kai anyar ngai dua, am di anyar nai kya, sorry hame thona am tu jai ko kai, ab senus nugli ya, hai tam thona ni moko, ni man kisa pun nugli ya, kan ngah puro, doctor thang mali ya, rang pusau kere, kan emon kai obstang bisnau gungur gutongan angka. Sapung kiore ka ano noga ni kadikon punjo khair bebi saka o borno no hospital tu ni kitamo nogon no ram kusa kuri nyai meya ni saka
emne tabo rampusa su geni bai sakduk najamaya
najamaya ga apun sibi ko ang tong phone ani mona kaise bayo tongai tong samkang no eta boano rang ri kising jisa logo ang ahnya kami najaga kisah mon pul digai ngawang ko phajina mon tala cha bagan doctor ana hamrka akior manita apru ange mon ke injection mana haka abo 40-50 tarong khana injection hamanita ke ano last di doctor saka no injection tana sidini kidney thangnai kya ni sakangka angya kari rakha ya kerja kami itu saja hanya kelak saya tongkah, emang angka bukan itu saya kan, ani sorry itu saya nak thokar, bunyi phalano ko asal, mokolong ko kata, Afrika emang akaran kau yang akaran hai kan, jadi humui yang doktor hospital kelak yang kya 40 दिन hai ro, 25 दिन hai ro, 2-3 बार kelak kita dikhe, kalau boleh ke, tu buihai rang ni kerja. Doctor kotor ko kahango na jomali ya ka am dikhina turu khaje doctor ko moti ke tomol moni wa khai ya ko an kisa ke mai che ya 6 mas na kha pura ata tisau ata karan hanya ko mui be kisa sa sabji da am kisa 6 mas tongan perkan humangka humamon bore kai ko tongka kan chau suarom thanga.
While the government's response is awaited, Kalpana has also reached out to the well-wishers and kind-hearted people of society. She believes that if her story reaches enough people, someone might step forward to help restore her sight. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.